Hey, what's good, everybody? July 31st, 9:31 a.m. Market just open. So I got a video up on the chart. Previous day, low and high. This black shaded area right here. The blue shaded area is aftermarket, and the goldish brownish looking area, this is pre-market. So that's NVIDIA. White line is VWAP. Looking to see if it was going to break out above pre-market highs, which is this red line up here, but no. Tesla, yes. Tesla, same thing. Previous day low and high. You know, gapped up like real heavily pre-market as opposed to after hours. Dropped back down into yesterday's zone, but it's Tesla's probably gonna go today. So I did swing the trade from yesterday. If I could find it. Yeah, Tesla might go. Let me pull up the daily chart. As you can see, we're still on this candle here after a massive sell-off after the earnings. They missed one of their I won't say quotas or whatever, but that's probably not the right word. So on the daily chart, we do have a massive daily gap from the 22nd into the 23rd. The 22nd was their earnings after hours. QQQ. Let's see. We went above the previous day range after hours yesterday. Then it gapped up a little bit, came down, filled the gap, and now QQQ is on wheels. Meaning that it's looking bullish. This blue line I have is a trend line on the daily, starting from June 22nd. So we're actually right at that daily, right at the daily trend line right now. We do have a daily gap from the 22nd and the 23rd of July, which was mostly in part due to Tesla's earnings. So what I'm looking to see if QQQ can get above and hold over that trend line. And it actually just might fill the gap. Meanwhile, forming a whole nother daily gap, if it doesn't come back and touch yesterday's price range. Now, I know you keep asking why am I talking about gaps? Because for the most part, gaps get filled. More so to the upside than the downside, but as long as you didn't have a daily gap, and the price is $200, $300, $400 more than what it was, those gaps usually get filled at some point in time. I would say more than 9 times out of 10, but not always, if that makes sense. SPY, same thing, got the range marked out. Previous day high and low. It held above after hours. Well, it closed after hours above. Gapped up, came back down. It almost made a touch on the range from yesterday during market hours, but it didn't. But SPY's looking bullish. Me, I'm a Tesla type of trader. I like the highs and lows of Tesla, emotionally. So I probably could have took profit on my trade that I swung, but I didn't because I'm sitting here recording this video. One of the problems with having so many different accounts is you don't know which one you use for what. It's crazy because I got whole notebooks that I should have actually used. That ain't it. So Tesla's sitting right around that VWAP mark. Most good traders is going to tell you not to jump into a play within the first 15 minutes of the market open. So right now it's 9:39 a.m. and the market is just really trying to find a direction. Now, me being me, I've jumped into plays like as soon as the market open, I see a nice strong either bullish or bearish candle. I've made some good gains. I've got smoked plenty of times. So again, do so at your own risk. It's not looking good. Tesla look like it's about to fall out the sky. Or it could just be a retest. Let's see if we in this 15-minute candle above or below the VWAP. QQ look like it's about to tank. So remember I said about the blue trend line? It came up, it broke above, and then it sold off. So what would I look at now? I got the MACD indicator there. MACD indicator there. It looked like it was trying to curl back up, which will help give you an indication that the price would go back bullish, but it's looking like a sell-off. So, looked like we had a fake out, quite honestly. I really can't find where I took that play at. Dang. Maybe I thought I hopped into play. I ain't even mad about it. Not the way this is looking. My thought process was, once I saw we started moving back upwards after this bounce on Tesla yesterday. No, right here. I said, okay, let me buy a call and give it a few days of expiration. I think I was looking at maybe like a 8-day expiration. So I would have had time without too much theta decay overnight. But whatever, it is what it is. Oh, QQQ, the bottom is falling out of QQQ. Now 43, we got another minute. One thing that I've noticed that I haven't heard a lot of people talk about is like a correlation between Nvidia and Tesla. So Nvidia is actually looking bearish. Usually Tesla is doing the opposite. Usually. So Tesla's looking real bearish. So what does that mean? It means Nvidia is probably going to try to run. Yep. So I'm on the 15-minute chart, right? So you see that Nvidia is about to go. I mean, Tesla's about to, or you could say Tesla's about to tank. So Nvidia's about to go. So what I think we'll do, I think we'll hop into a trade. Yeah, I only got $111 in my account. So what? So let's play a put on Tesla. I got a feeling it's gonna go down and hit that 200 moving average. So I put a $300 put. I bought it at 51. Currently we at $40. Lord, I just probably messed up. It's all good though. Yes, this is 0 day. Yes, this is a live trade. Because I'm pretty sure a lot of people, they see me when I post my screenshots and they probably feel like, I don't know, I'm scamming or something. I don't know. So, again, all I want is for Tesla to come down and touch near this red line right here. I'll be good. You know, I just need everybody to understand it doesn't take a lot of money. And I feel like as people that watch content, a lot of times we'll feel like watching people that make $10,000 a day trading. Yeah, it look nice, it look appealing, and then we'll put our last X amount of dollars, and we'll feel like, okay, you know, I'm gonna flip this, I'm gonna double this. Usually don't work out like that, or if it does, you could chalk it up to beginner's luck. And my screen recording cut off. So right now the option is up. I would actually feel that 48. Even better. I gotta remember to keep my phone camera on. Let's see. Up $2 right now. $3. $5. There we go. All I need is a touch on that 200. Keep going. Keep 30%. Ooh. Of course, I didn't take the screenshot there. Dang. Took the screenshot and it bounced back up. Come on, Tesla, let me get a little bit more money, man. Dang. There you go. I'm at 57 right now. 59. Come on. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I don't like sitting around waiting. Just want to hop into play, make my money, get out to play. Back at break even. Theta decay gonna tear me up. A lot of times right now they're gonna look for people that's overly eager to jump into a call, and they just gonna trap them with the stop losses. They're gonna sell the market back off. Back at break even now. So right here, let me enlarge the screen. So this is what we could, This is what we could consider a ghost touch. This red line is the 200 simple moving average. If you don't know what that is, it's like a strong support resistance line, and we had a ghost touch. A ghost touch meaning it didn't actually come in contact with that line that I'm talking about. So maybe it will actually give us a solid touch, or maybe it won't. Maybe it'll break right through that support. Come on, Tesla, baby. Back up to 57. Price jumping around, so I'm at 15%. Give or take, because every time I say something, the prices will move up and down and all this other stuff. Get 1,000 notifications when you're trying to screenshot something. $58, $59, 22%. There we go, Tesla. Go touch the arrow. Go kiss the arrow. Lord, I keep getting notifications, man. Come on, Tesla. Yes, I do this when I'm trading, even if I'm not on the camera. And usually I drop a whole lot of F-bombs and stuff like that. Come on. Back at break even. Up $3, 8%. Well, come on. One good drop, Tesla. Come on. It ain't gonna do it. So right now, theta decay is in effect. So we just gonna, if we hold, the price of the contract, the value is gonna just drop like as time goes along. Theta decay is time decay. So if we don't get a good move, usually by the time you do, the contract still ain't worth nothing. So There you go. So now I'm at 55, which when we got down there that way before, it was worth like 60 something dollars. Back at break even. Up $2. See how crazy this is? What I think we'll do, I think I'll wait for 10 o'clock. Down $3. $9.58. Got a minute 17 left on this candle before it's 10 o'clock and the new candle forms. Up $2. Still didn't get a touch on that line either. Fuck, man. Down $7. Slow process. There go the other candle. See how it started moving real violently? Break even again. Oh. Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yep, I'm good. Seller close. So I sold it at 59. So I made $11 in 30 minutes. Price, look, the price still dropping. So I see 65 now. I was in that play for way too long. You know, Tesla just such a volatile stock. You really never know. I hope this was informative. I hope my sound is on because I'm going to be very mad. Everybody take care. I holla.